friends, good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon. It's a beautiful Saturday in Jamaica here. I know, as it's a Saturday, in some Jamaican home here today, some type of soup I look bout. So for today, what I look bout some chicken, some real Jamaican chicken soup. Alright? Yeah man, because it's a regular thing in a Jamaican household. So in the pot here, I have one chicken breast. We cut up and then in the pot there. I cut it up small in the pot there. And we tell you why I cut it up small. And at this now I have Irish carrot, pumpkin, thyme and garlic. And I go add that to the pot and then put them to boil together. Not for long, just put them and make them come to a boil. Because we want to add in everything. As soon as it's a boil, we want to add in the rest of things and just get everything cooked together. Because we don't want to have the chicken cook too much. The breast cook too much to get too tough. So we're going to leave this one here so now and make it go on, come to a boil, and then we add the rest of stuff then. Yeah man, so it's a boil up now. So we're ready to add the pan, not typical Jamaican, real Jamaican chicken soup, no make without corn in it. We have to have corn to soup on. Yeah man, so add the corn then, cover it back and make it come back to a boil again. So we put in the rest of things then. Yeah man, so the pretty color come in here now. So we're going to add regular yam to it. Remember we said we now make everything cook out, before we add in. We want to add in everything. As soon as the pot boil up, we're adding everything. Because it's a quick soup, we not make it boil too long. Yeah man, so we're adding the yellow yam, cover it again, same thing. And then we're going to add in the dumpling. I forget, my fine piece of sweet potato. My baby loves, so I put a little piece of sweet potato in it. Which I got add like a sweetness to it. Yeah man, my baby love this, so she will do well with this. Sorry about that guys, I lose the footage of when I put in my spinach in it. But yeah man, just only spinach I had after I add in the sweet potato. Yeah man, so I already know if I add, I give it a quick stir. And then I got add the coconut milk the way you see I've been there. Guys, I say do yourself a favor if you want your chicken soup nice. Just add some coconut milk in there. Trust me on that. If you do it that way here, you're not gonna stop doing it. So I know not typically Jamaican chicken soup put coconut milk in there. But trust me when I tell you say when I put coconut milk in your chicken soup, you're not gonna turn back. It make it really nice, guys. So yeah man. I find what you say, I love your coconut. But trust me, you put coconut milk in this, you're not going to stop put it in there. I will go and, help the soup to thick up by crushing, some of the pumpkin to the side of the pot there, add the cup body to the soup. Because I don't like thin soup around here. Look at that soup, guys. Look how it's pretty and nice. Yeah man, I start again look about the pan there. Yeah man, so ready to add the seasoning to the pot, but before we give it a quick stir first. Look at that. So now this now we have thyme, scallion, ginger, pepper, crushed pimento, salt, sugar. And say, when we say, we had coconut milk to anything, we had the sugar in it to bring up the coconut taste. Yeah man, so that we had with this and add the sugar to it, and this is going nice. Yeah, man, so just drop that down in it. Man, the smell will just eat me there. Woo! I wish you could have a smell sensor where you guys could have smell where I go on inside here. So come in, know someone that it wants. So man, someone that give me a quick give me thumbs up if you could smell this. Yeah, man, so we have about half bag of Maggi thick and spice ready all the noodle we use. Yeah man, so before we start editing, we start give it stir because I want it farm the lump in the soup. So we have to store it, so we don't farm the lump, and when I eat it, I take up this big lump and half a bite, Yeah man, so we put that in there. So, and as usual, I say when I waste nothing, so just take up the glass of soup, put it in the bag and rinse it out and put it back down in there. Because we say when I waste nothing around here. Yeah man, so just go and give it a stir. It come, guys, it come. And as me say, boy, I'm wishing I could have smell this. It smells heavenly. As me telling you earlier, I can't stress it enough. If I make a Jamaican chicken soup, add some coconut milk to it. If once you do that, you nah go turn back, guys. Nah go turn back. And at the background, I may have me vegan. You know, there's a vegan in the family, so I may have me vegan no chicken soup. Tell me if you guys want me to drop it for Monday or if you drop another video. And just leave the comments down in the comment section. Alright, so we'll cover it back and then I'll come back and show you how me dish it. So both finally done, guys. You remember earlier one time I just saw me telling you why I cut up my chicken fine, me dice it up. You see there? You see every spoonful of soup you take up, you are going to have piece of chicken in it. Yeah man, so it make it meaty and it lends for a very nice meaty chicken soup. Nice meaty Jamaican chicken soup. Yeah man, so watch there. Every spoon me take up meat day night. Yeah man, so you have one chicken breast and I have worry about that. Just cut it up fine, dice it up and you know make a chicken soup and I have add no whole heap of meat in it. As I said before, half a chicken breast me have and I eat me put. I dice up and put in the soup and look how the soup look meaty and nice. Yeah man, make me husband a happy man this evening. No say I go enjoy this without a doubt. As him out there call me now. I said to me, say boy, when you go finish call me hungry. Yeah man, piece of sweet potato there. Yeah man. I know say I go enjoy this real Jamaican chicken soup. Yeah man, my daughter love when it meaty too, you know. So I know say she go enjoy this too. Yeah man. So guys, remember to like, to subscribe and to share my videos. Thank you for watching me. Yeah man, thank you for subscribing to my original subscribers. Thank you very much for subscribing. Thanks for the support. I really appreciate it, guys. Yeah man, so give the soup here a try, no, and make me know, you know, how you like it, or tell me if you ever put, you know, coconut milk to your chicken soup. Alright, so yeah man, so I'm gonna come up with some pictures, showing you some pictures. Yeah, and remember to follow me on Facebook and Instagram too, guys.